How to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube in 2020. In today's video, I'll talk to you about the reasons why your channel may not be growing, why you are not getting subscribers, and why your watch time is not so good. So stick with me and we'll get right into it. Tuesday. I'm Ralf Straaberg and this is Tube Tuesday. One reason why you are not getting any views, any subscribers to your channel might be that you are not having a thumbnail that people want to click on and you do not have an interesting title. If your title is something, my first day of summer, that is not really something that people are interested in. You need to make it content, you need to make titles that people want to click on, and you need to make thumbnails that make people stop when they are scrolling through all these videos after videos after videos. You want to make sure that it is your video that stands out, it's your title that makes them want to go stop, click and watch. You want to make content for your niche. When you are a small YouTuber and you have a small channel, it's very important that the content you make is something that people want to watch. Some milestones videos about now you have your first 100 subscribers or 500 subscribers is not really something that's interesting for people who are looking at your videos. They want content, they want to be either entertained or they want to be educated. This is why they go on YouTube. Don't stress over numbers, don't stress over views and subs. You need to focus only on making good content in the beginning. Make sure that your ideal is to make each video better than the last video. You do not spend all your time looking at now I get an extra subscriber, now I have 10 extra views on my videos. This is not where you want to put your focus in the beginning. Yes, it's important to also look at the data, but mainly focus on creating good and engaging content people want to watch. You will hear this over and over again, and I will also say it to you over and over again. Be consistent. Keep making videos. Keep uploading new videos. If you only have 5 videos and you only produce 5 videos a year, chances are you're not really going to get any subscribers, you're not going to get any watch time, people are not really going to follow you. Why should they follow you if you do not put out any new content? So make new content, make interesting content, and be you when you go online. A lot of people will go out and they will look at some really big YouTuber and they will try and copy what this YouTuber does. Maybe he goes and makes a video where he puts in the title, puts 5 exclamation marks, and you try and do the same and you flunk big time because you are not a big YouTuber with 1 million followers. So you need to build your audience, you need to have subscribers that love and like your content, and when you have a lot of followers you can start and do maybe a little bit more crazy things. Chances are if you start out and do something really crazy that you see a big YouTuber do, they will not really have the same effect. You want to stay focused, you want to keep a schedule. If you want to make videos, it's a good idea to make sure you say that I put out content on this day, and this day every week. Because that way your subscribers know when to expect new content from you. Sometimes you'll see a lot of people go out and they just post a video every now and then when they feel like it. If that is your approach to it, then chances are you're not really going to grow very much and you're not going to gain many subscribers. A good idea is to connect with other YouTubers that are on the same level as you. Connect with them, partner up with them, maybe do video collaborations together. A lot of people believe that they only need to be themselves, they do not need to engage with other people. This is a social media community. You need to be social, you need to engage with other people, both your audience and other YouTubers. This is a really great way to grow. You need to make proper keyword research. This is really essential for your videos to rank in search. If you want your videos to be found, if you want people to find your videos when they go into Google and search for whatever your subject is about, you want to make sure they can actually find your videos. So go in, use keyword tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, or just search on YouTube and look whatever people are searching for in this specific subject to make sure that your videos have titles, have subjects that people are actually looking for. People will sometimes try and see if they can follow the next trend. This could be a strategy, but it's a really hard strategy for you to follow because you never know what's going up or what's going down. Some YouTubers may have made a video about something 3 weeks ago and it was the hottest thing 3 weeks ago, and if you try and make the same video now, you do not have the same results because it was right there and at this time that this was really hot. If you want to make trending videos, you can use search tools where you go in and find subjects that are trending. So you go in and follow subjects that are trending. Before you start your videos, you should make a script. Too many people just start the camera and then they talk and talk and talk and talk. This way you are actually sometimes wasting people's time. So make a script, stick to it, stick to the subject so that people know that what you talked about in the beginning is what they're actually getting in the video. You do not want to go all the way around and talk about 10 different things that is not really relevant to the key point. Stick to the key point, make it relevant and keep it short. Make your intros to the videos very short. Introduce yourself shortly. Go talk about what it is you want to talk about in your videos and then go straight to the point. Do not make a long channel intro with a lot of fancy graphics that takes 3 minutes. Nobody wants to watch this. It's a waste of time and you're losing subscribers fast and you're losing watch time. Something that is really bad for you, something that you do not want to do. You do not want to go out and make sub for sub, and you do not want to go out and buy subscribers and viewers to your channel. This is against YouTube's term of services and this will get your channel shut down. You have maybe seen people go and make an experiment where they make, oh look at me, I got 100 million subscribers or views within 24 hours. Sometimes those channels do not show you that 2 days later their channel is banned by YouTube because they did not comply with the terms of services. So do things right. Take the time it takes to grow your channel. There is no shortcuts. There is no easy fix. There is no magic button you can click. Bling! This does not exist in YouTube. It's hard work. It's consistent work. Stick with it. Stay to the subject. Find your niche and be consistent. This is the only way you will ever grow. And if it takes 6 months, it takes 6 months. If it takes 1 year, it takes 1 year. Each niche has different growth strategies and it takes different times. If you are a gaming channel and you are in a subject that is very popular, then maybe your channel will grow faster than if you are having a subject about fly fishing in Canada. Maybe this is not the hottest subject, but you can still grow a channel. I am Ralf Straaberg, and if you liked what you see here, then hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel for more goodies. Down in the description field I will have some things you can click on where you can follow my YouTube channel, and you can go into my Facebook group if you want to know more about how you can start a business and how you can get tips and tricks on YouTube and how you can use social media when you're starting your own business. I also have a coaching and training program. You can click and you can follow this webinar to see if this is something for you, something you want to start your own business.